In this video, I'm going to show you how to build an Instagram engagement quiz in Outgrow. If you're looking to boost your Instagram interaction and grow your community, this tool can work wonders. And I'll explain how in just a few minutes. Stick with me, and by the end, you'll be ready to create your own engaging quiz that not only captures attention, but also drives results. Plus, I'll be sharing an exclusive extended free trial so you can try it out for yourself. You don't want to miss this. Outgrow is an amazing platform designed to help you create interactive quizzes, surveys, calculators, and more. It's perfect for boosting engagement on Instagram, as it allows you to create highly engaging, interactive content that grabs your audience's attention and encourages them to take action. To get started with building an Instagram engagement quiz, you'll first need to sign up for Outgrow if you haven't already. The sign-up process is easy and free for starters, but make sure to stick around for the special extended free trial I'm offering in the description below. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. From here, click on Create New and choose the type of content you want to build. Select Quiz as your template. The great thing about Outgrow is that it's designed for people who don't have a lot of technical experience, so the process is really user-friendly. Now, let's talk about the structure of your Instagram quiz. A simple structure for engagement is to ask 3 to 5 questions. This keeps your quiz short and sweet while providing enough information to keep your audience hooked. You want each question to be relevant to your niche or business, something your followers will find interesting and engaging. Outgrow offers multiple question types: multiple choice, true, false, and sliders. For an Instagram quiz, I'd recommend using multiple choice questions, as they're easy to answer and interact with, keeping users engaged from start to finish. Once you've created your questions, it's time to design the quiz. Outgrow allows you to fully customize the look and feel, from colors to fonts. You can even add your brand's logo for that personal touch. You'll want to match the quiz's aesthetic to your Instagram page to make it feel more integrated into your content. Next up, let's talk about results. The magic of a quiz lies in the results. With Outgrow, you can create personalized outcomes based on your users' responses. This is an awesome way to keep your Instagram followers engaged and get them to share the quiz with their friends. You can even use the results to drive traffic to a landing page or promote a product or service. Once your quiz is ready, Outgrow makes it easy to integrate with Instagram. You'll want to use the link in bio feature or direct your audience to the quiz via Instagram stories, depending on your strategy. Outgrow also supports embedding the quiz directly into your website or landing pages, so you have a ton of flexibility when it comes to sharing. Before you hit the publish button, you can test the quiz to make sure everything works smoothly. This ensures that your Instagram followers will have a seamless experience, which is crucial for maintaining engagement. Now that you know how to set up an Instagram engagement quiz with Outgrow, let's talk about tracking your performance. Outgrow offers analytics tools to help you monitor how your quiz is performing. You'll get insights into completion rates, user engagement, and more. This data is invaluable because it helps you tweak your quiz and optimize it for better results. The best part about using Outgrow for this is how simple it is to replicate your success. You can create multiple quizzes and test different approaches to see what resonates most with your audience. Plus, once you've created one quiz, you can reuse a lot of the same content to keep things fresh. If you're ready to take your Instagram engagement to the next level with quizzes that not only engage but also convert, Outgrow is the tool you've been looking for. And remember, I've got an exclusive extended free trial waiting for you through the link below, so don't miss out on this chance to try it for yourself. Outgrow is easy to use, powerful, and packed with features that will help you build a loyal and interactive audience. You've got all the tools at your disposal to create amazing content that drives results. So go ahead, get started today and create your first Instagram engagement quiz. Your followers will love it. And don't forget, the extended free trial I've mentioned is only available through the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.